Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. In this episode, we are focusing on a significant and timely opportunity for US-based medical technology companies looking to enter one of the world's most valuable yet complex markets, Japan. On August 12, 2026, Japan's Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency, or PMDA, in collaboration with AdvaMed, announced a special event. They will be hosting a free online workshop on September 1st, 2026, specifically designed to guide US-based small and mid-sized medtech companies through Japan's regulatory landscape. For any company that has considered Japan but felt intimidated by its unique requirements, this event represents a rare and valuable chance to gain direct insights from the regulators themselves. The Japanese market is known for its high standards and sophisticated healthcare system, making it a lucrative target. But navigating the PMDA's requirements can be a significant hurdle without expert guidance. This workshop is not a general overview. It is a targeted session aimed at demystifying the market entry process for small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs. These are often the companies with innovative technologies, but fewer resources to dedicate to navigating complex international regulations. By offering this workshop free of charge and online, the PMDA and AdvaMed are lowering the barrier to entry, providing a platform for these companies to ask questions and learn directly from the source. The event promises to cover the foundational elements necessary for a successful market entry strategy. According to the announcement, the TMDA will address several critical topics. First, they will provide a comprehensive overview of Japan's regulatory framework for medical devices, explaining the legal basis and classification systems. Second, they will delve into the scientific advice and consultation opportunities available to manufacturers. This is a crucial aspect of the Japanese system, as early engagement with the PMDA through formal consultations can significantly streamline the review process and prevent costly delays. Finally, the workshop will walk attendees through the different review processes, clarifying the pathways for approval and what the agency looks for in a submission dossier. These insights are invaluable for building a robust and efficient regulatory strategy. The strategic value of attending this event cannot be overstated. Direct interaction with a regulatory body like the PMDA is an opportunity that usually requires significant investment in travel and consulting fees. This workshop provides a direct line of communication, allowing companies to understand the agency's expectations and perspective. For a small or mid-sized company, this can mean the difference between a successful market launch and a stalled application. Gaining a clear understanding of the PMDA's processes can help de-risk the entire market entry project, allowing for more accurate budgeting, timeline planning, and resource allocation. It is a chance to build a foundational understanding that will support your regulatory team for years to come. Given this opportunity, we recommend regulatory, quality, and market access teams consider a few practical actions. First, register for the workshop immediately. The event is scheduled for September 1st, 2026, and since it is free and targeted, spots may be limited. Ensure the right people from your organization are signed up. Second, prepare for the session proactively. Don't just attend passively. Review your product pipeline and identify devices that could be candidates for the Japanese market. Formulate specific, well-researched questions about the regulatory pathway for your type of device. Third, use this workshop as a key input for your strategic planning. The information you gain can help you build a business case for entering Japan, or perhaps help you decide to prioritize other markets. Finally, schedule a post-workshop debrief with your team to consolidate the key takeaways and translate them into a concrete action plan for your Japan market access strategy. In summary, the upcoming PMDA and AdvaMed workshop is a must-attend event for any U.S. medtech SME considering the Japanese market. It offers direct, practical guidance from the regulator, which is an invaluable asset for navigating this complex environment. If you need assistance developing or executing your global market access strategy, particularly for challenging jurisdictions like Japan, we invite you to check out Pure Global. We specialize in providing end-to-end regulatory consulting, combining local expertise with advanced AI tools to streamline your path to market. You can learn more about our free AI tools and global regulatory database in the episode description. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.